Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your HONOR Earbuds to Lite keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend to perform soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. If you want to check it, you can go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices. It depends on Android, because let's say I have stock Android right here. It moved from media devices to safe devices, meaning that this headphone's disconnected. On the iPhone, you have the information under your earbuds connected when this headphone's connected and not connected when it disconnected. On Realme, let's say, you have the information under your earbuds in use when it's connected and just empty space when it's disconnected. So maybe you have the similar path to check it. So after you disconnect them, you need to open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and then check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we should perform factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also open the charging case and put your earbuds to the case. But do not close the case, and if you close it, just open it. And do not remove your earbuds from the case. At the right side, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold at the connectional button until the LED light on the front side start flashing red. So, press and hold. Firstly, start blinking white. Because we entered to pairing mode, don't worry, just keep holding this button. We need to red LED light. Okay, we have it. Now you can release your finger and then we can reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And firstly we need to remove them. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget device or forget this device or unpair or remove button. And forget device, because without it, if I try to reconnect them, it will show me that I cannot do this. If you have iOS and you try to reconnect them, it will ask you to remove them. So let's do this. Here we go. Then at the top, at the device list, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. But I need to click at this button. Okay, so after factory reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. We know it by the LED light with blinking white, and we should see them as the device list. Tap at your earbuds and then click pair. And we did it. Now you need to check if the factory reset didn't help you. I have one more solution for you. We can reset Bluetooth settings. The problem is you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to reset it on Android, and then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check iPhone part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your iPhone, open settings, and then we should go to the system. So scroll down, click at the system, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android at the bottom, you will have reset options. Tap at this line, then click reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings. Then we should go to the general settings. So you need to scroll down, click at the general line, then scroll down again, And right here at the bottom you will find Transfer or Reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click Reset. In this window you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. Then write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!